Hello viewers, today I'll show you my very own chicken curry recipe that has been nicknamed by my family as La Jawab chicken curry. It is simple yet amazingly delicious. For this recipe I'll be using a diced organic chicken which is around 2 kgs. Let's marinate the chicken with salt, 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of dry chili flakes, the juice of 1 lime, and 1 cup of thick yogurt. Mix everything together till the chicken is nicely coated. Cover with cling film and put it in the fridge for 24 hours. I'll also need 1 diced red onion, 400 grams chopped tomatoes, 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, handful of crispy fried onions, 4 dry red chilies, 2 tablespoons each of coriander and cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. I'll roast the seeds and the dry chilies and then grind them into a powder. That's the masala powder. Let's begin cooking by frying the diced red onions in some oil. Stir the pot and fry the onions for 3 to 4 minutes. Then add the ginger garlic paste. Fry for another minute or two. Then add the tomatoes into the pot and fry on high heat for 3 to 4 minutes. Now we will add the marinated chicken pieces into the pot. Along with the marinade. Stir the chicken about and add a bit of salt. And fry the chicken for 3 to 4 minutes. Then add the powdered spices and blend them in. And fry for another 2 minutes. Then rinse out the marinade bowl with a bit of water and add it into the pot. Give the pot a mix. Then bring the pot to a boil. Cover and cook on low flame for at least 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, take the lid off. As you can see, the chicken is nice and tender. Now it's time to add the garam masala powder into the pot and mix it in. Then add the fried onions, as much or as little as you want. And our La Jawab chicken curry is ready. Doesn't it look gorgeous? Let's plate it up. Garnish with a bit of fried onions on top, as well as some freshly chopped coriander leaves, and serve with rice or chapatis. La Jawab chicken curry is a delicious chicken curry that uses a few basic Indian spices and is pretty straightforward to make. It is the quality of chicken and the longer marination period that gives it the La Jawab taste. Give it a try and enjoy.